How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to tap on your Messenger app. You want to be on the application. And the next thing will be going to the three lines at the top left hand corner of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on the settings or the gear icon on your screen. Now you want to scroll to where you see privacy and safety. Tap on end-to-end encrypted chat. Now go ahead and tap on message storage. You want to scroll down to where you see turn off secured storage and tap on it. Now go ahead and click continue, and you have just successfully turned off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger for this device. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.